What's up everyone, it's Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. All right, so you've spent anywhere from $79,000 to $120,000 on a brand new or used Ford RV. You're excited to hit the road and go on adventures across the land in your machine, but there is a problem. You're happy about your purchase, but you can't shake that feeling in the back of your head. You're gripping the steering wheel for dear life, scraping at every single driveway, and the vehicle sways back and forth. Overall, it's uncomfortable, you lack confidence on the road, and ultimately your nearly six-figure machine drives like crap. It can't be ignored, but the question remains, is there a cost-effective solution to make your RV drive like a dream? In this video, we will go over the different types of RVs that utilize Ford chassis and their respective costs. Stick around through the whole video and I will reveal a cost-effective suspension solution for Ford RVs that may just surprise you. There are numerous manufacturers, trims, and styles of Ford RVs. What RV manufacturers like Thor, Coachman, and others do is purchase the stock chassis from manufacturers like Ford, Chevrolet, Mercedes, and many others, building their RV coach on top of it. In today's video, we will strictly focus on RVs that offer a Ford chassis. Here's a quick hint, all the extra weight and load on the chassis from these RV manufacturers on a stock chassis is where the drivability issues begin for you. The three main types of RVs are the Class A, the Class B, and the Class C RVs. Ford Class A RVs are the epitome of excellence, boasting the roomiest interiors and the best luxury features. These RVs come in lengths up to 45 feet long and are built on the Ford F-53 chassis. The average cost of a Class A motorhome lies in the $139,000 range across new and used vehicles. Class B RVs are the smallest variety of vehicle to be dubbed RV, and in the past have been built on the Ford E-Series chassis, and now increasingly so the newer Ford Transit platform. Class B RVs offer a smaller, more compact vehicle and a more beginner-friendly driver experience than that of a Class A or Class C RV. These stock chassis with stock suspension are not meant to take on all the extra weight and load from the coach, and consequently come with their own set of drivability issues. Owners have complained of swaying, tail wagging on the highway, drifting at high speeds, and drifting steering. Many look for a solution but run into expensive Band-Aid fixes that do not completely replace and fix the underlying issues. The median price for Class B motorhomes lies in the $85,000 range across new and used inventory. We are almost ready to reveal an awesome cost-effective solution to the drivability of these vehicles. If you are enjoying the information in this video, do the duties and subscribe to the channel, as well as leave the video a big thumbs up. Moving on, we will discuss the Class C RV. Widely built on the Ford Econoline platform, these vehicles range in length from 22 to 40 feet and offer some of the luxury interior features of a Class A while maintaining a more compact size. These motorhomes certainly come with drivability issues, as the weight of the coach on the stock suspension will cause loss of traction and swaying on the highway, resulting in driver fatigue. Another widely expressed issue is scraping and bottoming out at driveways and dips, causing discomfort in the driver and passengers, as well as possible damage to the vehicle. The cost of these motorhomes is on average $115,000. So what is the solution to the drivability issues of your Ford Class A, Class B, or Class C RV? Before we reveal the answer, make sure you leave a thumbs up on the video. Did you do it? Are you ready for the answer? The solution to the drivability issues of these RVs, contrary to what you might think, are not sumo springs, airbags, or helper springs. The underlying issues can be remedied using companies like Weldtec Designs to complete a full suspension upgrade. These suspension upgrades include extended radius arms, larger coil springs, modified I-beams, progressive leaf springs in the rear that are made to handle the weight of your coach, as well as create a more smooth and pleasant ride. Each component of a full suspension upgrade from companies like Weldtec Designs work together to create confidence, control, and comfort on the road, resulting in happier drivers and passengers, as well as a heightened sense of safety. These suspension upgrades offer a cost-effective solution to each vehicle's drivability issues. Links to Weldtec Design suspension upgrade packages for your vehicle will be in the description below. Start your journey to a better ride today, and do not hesitate to give us a call at 619-596-9831 to receive a quote that accurately represents your needs. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. You now have a better idea of why your Ford RV drives poorly and what you can do to remedy the issue. Remember to do your own due diligence and research and contact a reputable company such as Weldtec Designs to improve the ride of your vehicle. Until next time, see you on the trail.